Hello, this is a quick tutorial how to create an account on Flight Club. To start off, you just want to make sure we are on the right website flightclub.live. Then after you verify that, we can go to the top right corner and click Join for free. On this page, you can sign up using Google, Apple or email. On this next page, you want to enter your email address. Then enter your first name and the last name. And there will be a prompt for your phone number. Enter the city in which you're located. And then create a password. Confirm your password. After click I agree to the terms of service and click create account. Welcome to Flight Club. After that, you can complete your profile. Go to the right corner and click view profile. On this page, you can click upload your profile photo. Your location, phone number, name and email address are already filled for you. In this next section is asking for qualifications. Now it's going to ask for you for your license number. Then it's asking for my date of birth. Then it's asking for medical certificate expiry date. You can click on this calendar icon and select it through here. Bulletin command time is optional. If you can remember it, you can put it in. And then it's asking for total flying time and instructor time. Now, this is optional, but it's asking for the aircraft type flown. So I'm going to say Piper Cherokee 180. The next section asking for what licenses you carry. I'm just gonna click flight instructor and commercial pilot. And then it's ask for ratings. I'm just gonna say I have a night instrument instructor class 4 and CFI. And click save. In the communication section, you can choose email or text notification you'd like to receive. In this section, it's asking for your payment information. Again, this is optional for right now. You may need to do this later. And then it's asking for your hourly rate and daily rate. And that's all. Your profile is ready.